Welcome to the Adobe Creative Cloud Express module of the Web 2.0 curriculum. In this module, you will learn how to produce interesting visual educational materials with Adobe Creative Cloud Express. You will learn about the general functions and applications of the website and how to create interesting materials. Additionally, some of its limitations will be addressed, as well as useful tips and tricks. In the end, you can take a self-assessment quiz to test your knowledge about Adobe Creative Cloud Express. But first, what exactly is Adobe Creative Cloud Express? It's a web-based platform that allows users to create many types of visual content with the help of thousands of templates. It's a free platform with professional-looking templates that are customizable and do not require any graphic design knowledge to be used. So it's adequate both for beginners and more advanced users. Some examples of documents that can be created are logos, flyers, collages, lesson plans, posters, CVs, invitations, book covers, and many more. Adobe Creative Cloud Express is available in 16 languages and has an intuitive and user-friendly interface. With this module, the participants will be able to name and recall the functions of Adobe Creative Cloud Express as a tool for creating visual educational material. They will also be able to design quizzes and surveys about Adobe Creative Cloud Express and analyze these results. Adobe Creative Cloud Express can be used to create many types of graphic documents, including educational material. One of the many advantages of Adobe Creative Cloud Express is that it offers thousands of free templates to choose from, which are easily customizable. It is also possible to easily edit photos and videos. To start using Adobe Creative Cloud Express, you must register first. To do that, you must go to their website, which is www.adobe.com/express/. Then, you must click on the icon on the upper right corner that says Sign Up. Once you click on it, you have several options. You can choose to sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or to sign up with your email. If you choose Google, Facebook, or Apple, it will automatically link your account or ask you to log in with your account. If you choose to sign up with your email, you will have to fill in some personal data and then click on Create Account. Once your account is created, you can start working on your projects. To create a new project, you have two options. The first is to click on the pink icon with a plus sign on the menu on the left. There you can choose the type of template you want. Another option is to choose a template from the ones suggested in the home page. As an alternative, you can click on the custom size icon on the right side and select a custom size for your project. For the purpose of this module, click on the poster icon from the home page. Once you choose the poster template, you will get a blank template. Now you can pick a template from the menu on the left. You can try searching for the topic you want to address. Sometimes there are very interesting templates for specific topics. You can try searching for school. Choose a template from the menu on the left and click on it. Now that you have your template, you can customize it. To do this, explore the right side menu. For example, you can pick a different color scheme. To do this, you must click on the palette and choose a scheme. You can also pick animations, choose your background, or different font designs. You can also customize your font. By clicking on the text icon on the menu on the left, you can find hundreds of font styles. You can also search for a specific type of font in the search box. To edit your text, click on the text you intend to edit and customize it on the menu on the right. You can also choose stock pictures. To do this, click on the photo icon on the left and pick your photos. If you are looking to add some extra flair to your design, you can explore the other icons on the menu on the left. You can access many graphic elements by clicking on the Design Assets icon. Here you can choose different frames, brush strokes, illustrations, shapes, and many more. If you want to change your background, you can do it as well by clicking on the background icon. The upper menu bar also contains useful icons. Right in the middle, you can find the Undo, Redo icons. Like the name says, you can use them to undo or redo any actions that you have performed on your design. The Support icon gives you access to different tutorials, and the icon Next allows you to invite other people to make changes to your project. By clicking on the Download icon, you can download your project. For graphic projects, you can choose 3 different file types: PDF, JPG, or PNG. Additionally, the Share icon gives you the options to publish, invite other people, make a template out of your project, or send it to Google Drive. Although Adobe Creative Cloud Express is an overall well-rounded option to create visual educational materials, there are some limitations to the tool. The first one has to do with premium content. To use it, you must subscribe to the tool. The good news is that by doing this, you can gain access to other useful tools such as Premiere Rush, Photoshop Express, Spark Video, and Spark Page. Additionally, some users have reported less functionality when using Adobe Creative Cloud Express on mobile devices compared to a computer. This module ends with some recommendations that can make your job easier. Try the quick actions available in the Home tab. You can find useful tools that help you edit images, videos, and PDF. For example, there is a useful tool that removes the background of your images, and another one that helps convert videos into GIFs. Try them. This is the end of this module. We hope it was useful and clear. Now let's see what you've learned. You can now do the self-assessment for this module.